Today we are going to show you how to connect these parts of the nut to the nut itself. At first we are going to put the pipe through cable. This is how nut is coming to you, so you would use the pipes as the length as you need. We put the cable through the pipe. We screw it. Now it's done. Then we are gonna use this part for the connection with stud bolt. Now we put the case. We are gonna put the stud bolt through cable and connect it to here. At first we screw the stud bolt itself, then we are gonna use the nut to squeeze the case. Now we are putting the stud bolt to this part. This is how it's gonna look when you finish connect these parts. We're gonna make the connection to the source of power with these cable, and we are gonna use these parts to hang nut to the ceiling. We are gonna use these to hang it to the ceiling. Normally these are gonna come with these parts. This is the part it's gonna come with. We unscrew them. We put these parts. We put these parts to the ceiling, and also it's on the cage as well. We put these on the ceiling, and then we do this connection and connect it with screwing again. This is how you use the hangings steel. This is how you connect the default version of nut for the 50 centimeters, and for the longest ones we are gonna connect to the connections. So for the longest lengths, for more than 50 centimeters, we are gonna use this part. In this part we are gonna use this pipe, the thin pipe, and for that thin pipe stacking we are gonna use this. We will show you how to use it, but this is the part you are gonna put to this connection side. part with screw and a hole with it. This is the part when we use the thick cable. This is 80 centimeters. So if you wanna make it longer than 50, minimum 80 and maximum 125 centimeters, you have to use this one, and it is adjustable. You can change it through 80 to 125 as long as you want, as much as you want, and we're gonna show you how to do that. We put the type pipe through a cable. So we open it. If it doesn't go in, we open it. We open it till it goes in. As you see, it started going in. And we stop it in the length we want. And after that, we are gonna screw it so it doesn't move. As you see, it doesn't move anymore. This is the part we are connecting this thin pipe and the stud bolt of the case together. The part we are using is this one. Abi üstünde göstersen. Öbür taraf.
Bunu yapmıyor.
As you see, we connected the stud bolt with nut to this part, and now we are gonna put that case through that part to the head of the pipe. This is how it looks like when it's finished. It's gonna look like this, and you can change the length of the nut through this pipe as much as you want. You get it to the way you want it, and then you screw this screw and stuck the pipe so it doesn't move. This is how you do the 50 plus 80 centimeters to nut connections. After the 130, if you want to make it, for example, 2 meters, 3 meters long, this is the pipe that we are going to use, the thick one, just like the 50 centimeter one. We are going to use this part, the part that we have. So one side of this part is adapted to the thick pipes, and one side for the thin pipes, and also the stud bolt. So we're gonna put the cable in just like the other two we made. We put the pipe in. We are gonna connect it. So this is now can be adapted to the 2 meters, because this one is 50 centimeters, this one is 85, and this one is 85 too. So if you want to use it like 2 meters long for the height of this, if you want it to be 2 meters, you have to use it on this version. We do the same we did this part twice. This is the same, exactly the same. You just add the other pipe and keep the rest same. For example, if you wanted your knot to be 2 meter height, so this is how you do it. You use 3 pipes, one thick, one 50 centimeter thick, one 85 centimeter thin, and one 85 centimeter thick, and you use the thin for length adjustment. We're gonna use it. Abi aşağı indirseniz. So if you want to adjust the length of the pipes, you do the same, exactly the same the previous one as like the previous one. You change it to a thin pipe and you just stack it, and this is the length as you want. The last pipe, this is the part we are using. As you know, we are using thick, thin, thick, and other thick for the 3 meter length, for the maximum 3 meter length. So to connect thick to thick, we are going to use this part. This is how we left the knot with the 3 pipes, and this is the last one we're going to do for the 3 meter length. We do exactly the same that we did in the previous 3. And we still manage the measurement of the height through this thin pipe. So we're gonna do exactly the same that we did in the previous 3 connections. We put the stunt bolt, and we're gonna use our stunt bolt and the nut. So I'm not gonna bother anybody with the connection that we did doing for the 3rd time. This is exactly the same. As you see, this is the finished version of the 3rd connection, and the 4th pipe and the 3rd connection. So if you want to, for example, go to the, I don't know if I can show you. Yes, I can show you. It's not in the ceiling right now. If I want to send it to the ceiling, I'm gonna open this. I'm gonna so to make it to the ceiling, we do the adjustment from the same place. We just take it down. Çıkar abi yukarı. Go up as long as we go, and we connect it through here. Thanks for watching.